Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will give you a tutorial regarding how to create a paper cutout text effect in Adobe Photoshop. This is the paper cutout effect I have created with multiple layers of paper cutouts, and I have done it in 10 simple steps. So let's begin the tutorial. Let's create a new layer by going to the file menu, new, and this is in a landscape mode. I will go for 297210. So this is the A4 size landscape mode. I press the button Ctrl 0 to bring it into full screen. I need to change the background color, so I will go to this color picker and then look for some light colors, and the color value is 7CFDD7. Okay, now I select the paint bucket tool and click on it. Now I will be applying some filters so that it will have a rough edges or textures of a paper. So we'll go to filter and look for oil paint. Stylization I will go for 0.80. Then cleanliness I will go for 0. Scaling I will go for 2. Angular directions plays a major role, so if I zoom it, you can see the angles of the texture. And sign will play a major role. If we increase the sign, we'll get more rough and a darker shades, and if we reduce it, we'll get a smooth. So I will try 0.20. This seems okay for me. Okay, if I zoom it, I am having this rough texture now. Next step is to create a text. I will select the text tool and write the text paper. I will change the color of the text, and I can put some value, that is 7F7CC1, and I can go for the darker shades. I click on OK. Now I need to increase the size of this text. I can increase the size from here, or by simply pressing the button Ctrl T, and I press the button Shift and increase the size. So if I press Shift, it will increase equally from all the sides. Adjust it and stretch it a bit accordingly and hit the button Enter. Now whatever effects or filters we'll be applying on this paper text. So the first effects we'll be applying is the inner shadow. So we'll go to effects and select the inner shadow. As soon as inner shadow is being selected, you can already see some effects out here. Blend mode I will give it multiply, and I can change the shadow of the color, so I prefer keeping similar to the text but in a darker mode. Okay, opacity I will give it 80. Angular I will go for 90 degree. Global light will be checked. Distance I will go for 8. Chalk I will give it 0, and size I will increase to 15. Now you can see the effect out here. Contour will be linear, and noise I will go for 5 points. Click on OK. Now the second effect I will be applying is the outer glow. I will go to effects and check outer glow. Blend mode I will keep it screen, and opacity I will go for 50. Noise will be 0, and technique I will give it softer, spread 0, and size I can increase to 8. Contour, range and jitter, it will remain as default. Okay. Now we need to apply the last effect, that is the bevel and emboss. So we'll go to FX and click bevel and emboss. Out here I need to select the outer bevel. Technique I will keep it smooth, and depth I will go for 75. Direction will be always up, and I can play around with the size. If I go for 10, you will get a shining effect out here. Angular will be 90, and everything will remain as default. I hit the OK button. Now all the effects are being applied to this text layer. I need to apply the same textures of this background in this text layer. So in order to do that, I will create a new layer, and I can select the color of this text, and I can select the paper text by control click on this, and then apply only on this portions. So I press the button G, and apply the filter oil paint. You can see the rough edges. Now I can change some of the settings of oil paint. Maybe I can change the directions so that it will give a another shape. Okay, this is the textures we got till now. Now I need to add some more layers of paper so that it will have some reality look. So I'll be adding some multiple layers of paper in front of this text. For that I can use the lasso tool or the pen tool to draw it. I prefer using the pen tool. So I select the pen tool and start drawing it. And join the nodes, and I right click it and select make selections. Feather I will be keeping 0, and here is my selections. Now I will take a new layer and select the color. I prefer going for light colors. I select the paint bucket tool and click on it. I deselect it by pressing the button Ctrl D. Now I need to perform the clip masking. In my last tutorial I have already shown you how to perform the clip masking. I will bring the cursor exactly in between layer 1 and layer 2 and press the button Alt. So clip masking is done, and the first layer is being already applied to the text, but I need to apply some effects. So I will copy the effects of paper that was being applied out here, and right click copy layer style and then select this layer and right click, paste layer style. I can slightly increase the shadow distance to give it a more realistic. So I can play around with the bevel and emboss. Size I can increase it. Soften I will increase it till 16 so that I will have a smooth shadow. Press the button OK. Now I need to apply the same filter that I have applied to this text layer, that is the oil paint, to give it a rough edges. So I will select this layer and go to filter and hit the button Ctrl F. So I still have this paper edges. Now I can add one more layer, so I will select the pen tool, close the nodes and right click it, make selections, feather I will put 0 again. I will take a new layer and this is the color. Select paint bucket tool and deselect the layer. I will perform the clip masking again and this is what I got. So I will apply the filter oil paint again out here to give it a rough edges. So this is what we got, and I'll be applying the same effects that I have applied in layer 2. So I will copy the layer style and paste it here. So this is exactly what we got. Now I can keep modifying the designs, so I can bring it a bit down accordingly, then again the same thing. So this is the final effect we got till now, and you can replace the text, you can replace the color of the paper, and this is how you create a cutout text effect in Photoshop. Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please like it, share it and subscribe it.